Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the device model and exact OS so you pick the correct settings. Once done, access power settings immediately and sign in with admin credentials. This lets you change system-level timers. Make sure battery is at least 20% or plugged in to avoid interruptions while settings apply. You will change both display and system sleep policies now, so follow each step deliberately to prevent accidental suspension later. Next, you open Advanced Power Options and locate the Sleep section. This is where the main prevention happens. You will set sleep after to never or 0 minutes and turn off hybrid sleep and hibernation so the system cannot auto-suspend. Also adjust USB Selective Suspend and PCI Express Link State to prevent peripheral-triggered sleep. Once these values are saved, apply them to both plugged-in and battery profiles to ensure finally you save changes and create a custom power plan so settings persist after updates. This prevents OEM resets. Test immediately by leaving the device idle for 10 to 15 minutes while plugged in and on battery to confirm no power save engages. If you still see sleep, make sure to update firmware and chipset drivers, then recheck advanced timers. If needed, inspect scheduled tasks and connected peripherals, because background jobs or faulty drivers often force sleep unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.